Hello, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and in this video I will show you how to use smart notification hiding. So this smart notification hiding feature on the OnePlus 15 is designed to protect your privacy by using the front camera to detect if someone else is looking at your phone. So the principle is, if your phone is unlocked or on the screen lock and it detects a face that is not yours, it will automatically hide the content of your notifications. So let's go to settings, and you want to find section security and privacy, and from here go to device unlock, and please make sure that you have your face and fingerprint unlock set up. Then let's go back to main page of settings, and you want to go to notifications and quick settings, and now here find more settings section, and from the list of more settings you want to go to smart notification hiding and turn it on, and then your phone will ask you to confirm your face unlock to activate smart notification hiding. So all you have to do is just tap Enroll button, then you want to confirm your password and scan your face. And next time when notification comes in, the phone's front camera will check the area for face, and if it recognizes your face that is enrolled in the smart notification hiding feature, it will display the full notification content. But if your phone will detect an unauthorized face, let's say like this, the face that is not yours, it will hide the content of the notification. So that's how you can use smart notification hiding feature on your OnePlus 15 phone, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.